HKHL Nature Reserve is located near HKHL village. It has an area of about 460 hectares and covers both natural vegetation and long-established forestry plantations. It is the best preserved woodland in Hong Kong. In the early days, much of the natural vegetation there was cleared by hill fires. In 1926, the government began afforestation in HKHL. The area is heavily wooded, with more than 100 different species of trees. Native species and afforested trees grow luxuriantly in the reserve. It is a good place for conducting field studies. We shall first locate two sites with different growing characteristics. That is, sites A and B shown in the map in the textbook. Then we shall examine the reasons for such differences. This is site A. What do you notice about the vegetation cover and species diversity? The forest has a dense vegetation cover and damp environment. We can find a typical layered structure in the forest here. This includes canopy layer, young tree layer, shrubs, undergrowth and ground layer. Here we also see some climbers and epiphytes. At site A, we will carry out two measurements. First, we need to count the number of plant species along a transect. Mark a transect of 15 to 20 meters long by a measuring tape. Identify at least 3 types of trees and shrubs along the transect and count the numbers. Then, we measure the tree height of 5 chosen trees in the area. We can do this with the help of an Abney level. After finishing the 2 measurements at site A, we go to site B and repeat the same measurements. This is site B. How is it different from site A? The trees here are tall and standard in height. The forest structure is simple and clear. There are not many plant species. There is very little undergrowth. The diversity index is low. In fact, site B is an afforested area, while site A is a natural forest. This explains the differences in tree height, the layering of trees, and the variety of species. HKHL Nature Reserve is also a good site for other field studies. You can investigate topics such as the effects of deforestation on microclimates, plants, and animal communities, or how the characteristics of biotic and abiotic components vary in different areas of the woodland. Study the area carefully, and you may find many more interesting topics for investigation.